If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah, check.
Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey. Y'all, it's day 10 of the 31-day eyeshadow looks that I'm doing. And y'all, I am liking this look. And I used the Gingerbread palette, my Too Faced, to achieve it. And y'all, I don't know if y'all familiar with that little meme. I got time, cuz. Well, y'all, I had some time, y'all. It took me a long time to get this look. But y'all, I'm really liking it. And I was inspired by my pajamas. Y'all, I'm rocking my, let me see. Hold on. Boop, boop. My Hello Kitty onesie. So that's what's inspired this look. But if you want to see how I got the look, then you need to keep on watching. All right, y'all, we're using the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice palette. This palette is $49, and it can be bought Ulta, Sephora, Too Faced, just about everywhere right now. And I did do a swatch video, and I gave my reviews on how I felt, if you should pick it up or not. Go check out that video. Now, the colors that I used in this eye look were the Look at My Cookie, Sugar Daddy, Gumdrop, Figgy Pudding, Reindeer Paws, and Spiked Eggnog. Guys, this was such a relaxing video to make, guys. When I tell you, I've cut this video down drastically. I cut the video down because I really went in and I did some real detailed work, and it was just so relaxing. I don't know, am I the only one? Makeup just relaxes me. It's my happy place. I enjoy it, and I just had time to really go in and do it. And one thing I will say is, tools are so important. I got some new brushes from BH Cosmetics, the smoky one. It's like $7, y'all. Those brushes are everything. And it has a lot of little detail brushes in it. And guys, it makes a difference. I'm telling you, it makes a major difference. Now, what I wanted to talk about today is, I love makeup. I know most of you guys that come here and watch my videos, you guys have a love for makeup. And it's so much drama going on in the beauty industry. And I'm just not here for it. I come to play in makeup, watch other people play in makeup, and that's entertaining, that's enjoyable for me. I myself am not influenced much by big YouTubers because I really don't watch them, to be honest. I'll go to more small YouTubers and, you know, get their advice and their reviews on a product. So all this drama, I'm just not here for it. And pretty much, if I don't mess with your company, you just won't see me show it on my channel. I don't gotta really say it. If I don't mess with you, I just don't mess with you. It's simple as that. But guys, that was my little spiel. And then my other thing I want to talk about is, stop counting my coins when it comes to how much money I spend on makeup. People be like, oh my God, you spend $49 on an eyeshadow palette. Oh, you spend $25 on a lippy. But let me say this. I know I got a little time. I got time, cuz. So I broke it down, y'all. How about this? If you smoke cigarettes, you spending about $6 a day. That's $42. There go your eyeshadow palette. If you drinking about a case of Pepsi a day, which a lot of people do, that costs about $6 or $7. You can get you a nice little drugstore lipstick. If you eat out for lunch and you spend $5 to eat out for lunch a day, which is cheap, so $5 a day, that's $25. You can basically almost buy, what, a Fenty foundation. You know what I'm saying? So we all spend our money on the things we want to spend our money on. And don't take account for those people that smoke that special cigarettes. That's about $50 or $60 a week. So you know you can definitely buy some makeup with that. So we all spend our money how we want to spend it. So don't let people make you feel bad about spending money on high-end makeup or spending money on just a lot of makeup. Because at the end of the day, it's your coin, right? And everybody spend their money how they want to. So that's all I had to say about that. Guys, this look came together. I enjoy making this look. I'm really don't want to wash my face for real. This is a beautiful look to me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And guys, enjoy your happy place in makeup, okay? Just enjoy your happy place. All right, y'all. Y'all saw how I got this look. Y'all, when you could take your time and just be in the zone, oh my gosh, makeup is so much fun. And that's what I did today, y'all. I was in the zone, listening to my music, just taking my time. I wasn't rushing. And I really could say I enjoyed doing this eyeshadow look. It was so much fun. It's not so much all about the palette. It was just the process. But y'all, I hope you guys are enjoying these looks. And if you want something you want me to do, I know someone wanted me to do a smoky. I did a smoky. And if it's any other looks you want, put it in the comment section and let me know. And to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
Got Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life, yeah, it's Lori's life.